Apple is gearing up to do what it does best, captivate the world with yet another iPhone release. This time, it's the iPhone 16, and if the rumors are true, we're in for some jaw-dropping features. With everything from bigger screens to groundbreaking camera improvements, this is the iPhone we've all been waiting for. So stick around, because we're about to break down 16 of the most exciting changes coming to the iPhone 16 lineup. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we dive deep into the latest tech news and rumors, especially when it comes to Apple. Today, it's all about the upcoming iPhone 16 lineup, and let me tell you, the leaks and rumors have us hyped. From camera upgrades to faster charging and everything in between, Apple is setting the stage for something special. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future updates. And with that, let's jump right in. Before we start, if you want to skyrocket your website's visibility and outrank the competition, meet SEMrush, the ultimate tool trusted by over 7 million digital marketers worldwide. Discover high-ranking keywords, analyze your competition, and fix technical issues all in one place. With SEMrush, you'll have everything you need to dominate search engines and drive real results. Ready to take your SEO game to the next level? Subscribe to SEMrush today and start growing your online presence like never before. You can find direct link in description. Now let's get back to our video. Let's start with something that could change how you use your iPhone every single day: the new dedicated capture button. Imagine this. You're trying to capture a perfect moment, but by the time you fumble around unlocking your phone, the moment's gone. Well, Apple's aiming to fix that. With a physical capture button on the iPhone 16 and 16 Pro, snapping photos or recording videos will be quicker and easier than ever. What's even better is that this button is expected to provide haptic feedback, giving you a tactile half press for focusing. Just like a real camera, Apple knows that for many of us, our iPhone is our main camera. So having a dedicated shutter button makes a lot of sense. Cases for the iPhone 16 have already been spotted with a cutout for this new button, so this feature looks like a lock. If there's one thing Apple always nails, it's the design, and the iPhone 16 is no exception. Apple is drastically reducing the bezel size on the Pro models, and the numbers are impressive. For context, the iPhone 15 Pro Max already has tiny bezels at 1.55 millimeter, but the iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to shrink that down to just 1.15 millimeter. This means more screen, less frame, and an even sleeker, more immersive look. It's going to make watching videos, playing games, or simply scrolling through social media feel like a much bigger experience, literally. Apple has always led the pack when it comes to screen design, and this year they're pushing the boundaries even further. Let's talk about aesthetics for a moment. We've all come to expect new color options with every iPhone release, and the iPhone 16 is no different. This time, rumors point to the Pro models getting a stunning new brownish color option. Apple has been experimenting with bold, unexpected colors lately, and this earthy tone could offer a sleek, sophisticated look that stands out in a sea of black, silver, and gold devices. If you're someone who loves making a style statement, this new color could be your perfect match. Plus, you know Apple, there will probably be a fancy marketing name for it too. Now, this is one I'm personally excited about: the new 5x optical zoom lens. If you remember, with the iPhone 15 Pro lineup, only the Pro Max got the 5x optical zoom, leaving the regular Pro model with just a 3x zoom. But this time around, both the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max are expected to get that incredible 5x zoom capability. This means sharper, clearer photos from a distance without losing detail. Whether you're at a concert or capturing a landscape shot, you'll finally have that extra reach without sacrificing quality. It's the kind of upgrade that brings professional-grade photography to your pocket, and honestly, I can't wait to test it out. Next up, let's talk about something a little more mysterious but equally exciting: Apple Intelligence. This is expected to be a major software feature launching with iOS 18, which will come pre-installed on all iPhone 16 models. Now, while we won't get full access to Apple Intelligence until the iOS 18.1 update, we know it's going to be a game changer. Apple is aiming to create an even smarter, more intuitive experience on your iPhone, though the details are still under wraps. Will it revolutionize how we interact with Siri? Will it enhance multitasking or bring AI-powered features to the forefront? We'll have to wait a bit longer to find out, but one thing's for sure, Apple is cooking up something big. Every year, Apple manages to make its displays even better, and the iPhone 16 will be no exception. This time, the Pro models are rumored to feature AMOLED displays, which should be brighter than ever. Current iPhones, like the 15 Pro Max, already reach an impressive 2000 nits, but the iPhone 16 Pro Max is set to surpass that. This means no more struggling to see your screen in direct sunlight. Whether you're on the beach or just out and about, your display will remain crystal clear. It's the kind of small but impactful improvement that makes everyday use that much better. And for all you speed demons out there, the iPhone 16 is reportedly getting Wi-Fi 7 support. With Wi-Fi 7 starting to become the standard for modern routers, this will bring faster speeds and a longer range to your iPhone, whether you're streaming 4K videos, gaming, or just multitasking like a pro. Wi-Fi 7 will ensure a seamless, lag-free experience. Faster internet on your phone? Sign me up! Now here's a feature we've been waiting for, faster charging. Currently, iPhones charge at a decent speed, 27 watt with wired charging and 15 watt with MagSafe. But with the iPhone 16, those numbers are set to jump. We're looking at up to 40 watt of wired charging and 20 watt of MagSafe charging. That's a big deal, especially when you compare it to some Android devices that already support faster charging speeds. You'll be able to juice up your iPhone in no time, which is great for those of us who are always on the go. We've already seen Apple take the leap to a 48 megapixel wide camera in previous iPhone models, but now they're bringing that same power to the ultra-wide lens on the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. This means sharper, more detailed ultra-wide shots, perfect for capturing landscapes, architecture, or group photos. With this upgrade, all three lenses on the Pro models will deliver top-notch quality, giving you a professional-level photography experience right in your pocket. Battery life is always one of the top concerns with any smartphone, and it looks like Apple is addressing that in a big way with the iPhone 16 lineup. The new models will feature larger batteries across the board. The iPhone 16 Pro Max, for example, is rumored to have a 4,676 milliampere battery, up from 4,422 milliampere in the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This means more time scrolling, streaming, and snapping photos without worrying about finding a charger. Apple is reportedly using a new stacked battery design, which could also make the batteries more efficient, packing more power into less space. So longer battery life without making the phone thicker, that's a win in my book. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 Pro models will be powered by the all-new A18 Pro chip. Apple's custom silicon is already leading the industry, but the A18 will take things to the next level with faster performance, improved efficiency, and better graphics. And of course, it's designed to handle those advanced Apple Intelligence features we talked about earlier. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or editing videos on the go, this chip will make sure your iPhone keeps up with everything you throw at it. But Apple isn't leaving the standard iPhone 16 and 16 Plus out of the fun. These models are expected to come in a range of vibrant, saturated colors like blue, pink, white, black, and green. Apple is known for giving the non-Pro models some personality, and these bold new colors are sure to make a statement. If you love a pop of color in your tech, these options will be hard to resist. Here's a feature that's going to make content creators very happy. 3K slow motion video at 120 frames per second. Right now, iPhones only support slow motion video at 1080p, so this is a significant upgrade. Whether you're capturing action shots, epic moments with friends, or just playing around with cool video effects, this new slow-mo mode will give you ultra-smooth, high-quality results. And here's a big one. Literally, for the first time in years, Apple is increasing the screen sizes for the Pro models. The iPhone 16 Pro is expected to have a 6.3-inch display, while the Pro Max will feature a massive 6.9-inch screen. If you love having more screen real estate for watching videos, playing games, or even working on your phone, this is going to be a game changer. And with the thinner bezels we mentioned earlier, the phone itself won't feel much bigger in your hand. One interesting design change is the return of the vertical camera layout on the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. Apple is reportedly doing this to better support spatial video recording for the Vision Pro, Apple's upcoming mixed reality headset. With this new layout, you'll be able to record in 3D, capturing immersive, lifelike moments that can be viewed in mixed reality. It's a futuristic feature that could change the way we record and share videos. Finally, let's talk about JPEG XL. This is a new image format that offers better compression without sacrificing quality. The iPhone 16 will support JPEG XL, which means your photos will take up less space on your device while still looking just as crisp and detailed. It's a small but significant improvement, especially for those of us who are constantly running out of storage. And there you have it, 16 exciting new features and upgrades coming to the iPhone 16 lineup. Whether you're most excited about the faster charging, the new camera capabilities, or those bigger, brighter displays, there's something for everyone in this year's release. Are you planning to upgrade? Let me know in the comments below which feature has you most hyped, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay tech savvy. Peace out.